Assalamu alaikum students. I am Humera Tahir, your English teacher. Hope you are all enjoying good health with your families. Okay, today we are going to start unit number 10 of your grammar club 6. In this chapter, we shall learn some more rules about the reported speech, how we change the helping verbs or the auxiliaries when we change the sentence into reported speech. In this unit, we look at how to use reported speech with auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs means helping verbs. We also look at how to use told to introduce a reported speech. Instead of reporting verb, we can also use told. Look at the example. He said he was going to visit grandmother on his way home from work. He told me he would be home at 7 o'clock. Now, look at page number 63. Here is a conversation between Andy and her father. Father says, Andy, I want you to give your mother a message. Andy replies, okay, father. Now, father says, I am going to visit your grandmother on my way home from work. I'll be home at 7 o'clock. Can you tell her, please? Sure, father. Andy replies. Now, father called. He said he was going to visit grandmother on his way home from work. He told me he would be home at 7 o'clock. Now, this is a reported speech given by Andy to her mother. Now, mother says, thanks, Andy. Come to the next page. Auxiliaries. Auxiliaries are the helping words. Uh, we shall learn about the rules how we change the auxiliaries in case of reported speech. If a sentence has an auxiliary verb, we change the auxiliary from present simple to the past simple, and then we come to the reported speech. The main verb does not change. Now look at the original sentences here. I am going to visit grandmother. Father said he was going to visit grandmother. Now instead of I am, we have changed the helping verb he was. Auntie Rita is coming tonight. Ben said Auntie Rita was coming tonight. Instead of is, we are using was. We are having fish for dinner. Mother said we were having fish for dinner. Now, in the same way, we have to complete the reported speech in the given sentences in exercise A. Now, these are the original sentences, and on the opposite side, we are going to write the reported speech by using the past tense of the helping or the auxiliaries. I am learning taekwondo. He said he was learning taekwondo. We are going home. They said they were going home. I am enjoying the book. She said she was enjoying the book. Amy is going to be late. He said Amy was going to be late. Number 5, it is going to be a cold day. She said it was going to be a cold day. Now you see that all the helping verbs in present has been changed into past. Now come to the next. In this exercise, we shall practice how we change the auxiliary have into had when we are going to change the reported speech. Original sentence is, I have been at school all day. Dave said he had been at school all day. Now have has been changed into had. In the same way, we are going to change the reported speech in the exercise coming, that is B. I have been to Quetta twice. He said he had been to Quetta twice. I have sent 20 emails this morning. She said she had sent 20 emails this morning. We have been at the shopping center all morning. They said they had been at the shopping center all morning. My parents have lived in Multan for a long time. He said his parents had lived in Multan for a long time. Now, come to the next page. how could is the how can is changed into could. In the original sentence, I can speak English. She said she could speak English. Now can is changed into could. Look at exercise C and in the same way change the model verb here. You can have this book. She said I could have this book. I can bring some fruit. He said he could bring some fruit. The dog can come inside. She said the dog could come inside. Tina can sing very well. He said Tina could sing very well. Now you see, can is changed into could, but the main verb remains the same. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. Now here will is changed into would. Look at the sentence. I will be home at 7 o'clock. He said he would be home at 7 o'clock. Exercise D. Complete the sentences in the reported speech using would. I will meet you at the station. He said he would meet me at the station. The test will be easy. She said the test would be easy. It will rain this afternoon. He said it would rain this afternoon. I'll bring the money. She said she would bring the money. Exercise E. Here we have to change reported speech into the original sentence. Now, where there is a past tense, we are going to change into present. And also, there are changes in subject and the possessive adjectives. They said they were enjoying their holiday. Now, original sentence might be, we are enjoying our holiday. He said, I would enjoy the film. You will enjoy the film. They said they could walk to the cinema. We can walk to the cinema. She said she could play the piano. I can play the piano. He said he had seen that film 4 times. I have seen that film 4 times. He said he would bring his football. I will bring my football. Now, up till now, we have completed exercises A to E. And you see how the different auxiliaries have been changed into simple from present to past. Okay. Now you prepare these exercises for your test next time and be ready for the test. I'll prepare a worksheet for you. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.